Hello, this is James with the Ding Guy. How much money would your company save if it didn't have to have one of its service vehicles down for a whole day getting a new windshield? You should have Exoshield installed on your trucks. Mario, please explain to everyone what this is.
Exoshield is very much like an automotive-grade phone screen protector, but built for your car's windshield. It's installed just like window tint. The way it works is that it uses a transparent polyester film to absorb the impact from a rock hitting your windshield to prevent stone chips. We've actually spent a lot of effort in developing a nano-ceramic hard coat that is integrated into the outer surface of the polyester to protect it from scratches from wiper blades, ice scrapers, sandblasting, chemicals that you would find in a car wash or in your windshield washer fluid, and even ultraviolet rays.